What's going on, everybody? We got a 2015 BMW X5. This is an XDrive 35i with the notorious B58 motor. Some say the best motor BMW has ever made. 300 horsepower, 300 pound-feet of torque. Don't need much more. She's fuel efficient and has plenty of power. Sporty and luxury combined in one package. The white with the black wheels looks so good. Gorgeous spec. XDrive. Every single angle looks beautiful on this car. Side profile shot, front, rear. I think it may be the best X5, the best looking X5 generation of all the generations. California title. Tags are current till November of 2026. You got the nice mat in here. This opens up as well. Typical X5 feature. Dual exhaust, looks really good. Of course, we got the roof rack, ready for Tahoe. Interior looks brand new. It's got this nice lighting over here on the sides. Gorgeous interior. Such well-designed cars. People love the X5 series for a reason. Drives so smooth. My new daily driver. Huge panoramic sunroof. She is for sale, ready to go. Contact us today. We have cars, trucks, motorcycles, and dirt bikes for sale. Located in Sacramento, California. We can ship anywhere in the world. If you like the video, like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, let us know what you think. Comments below, hit that bell for notifications, and we will see you next time on the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.